love this foam roller. This is the Vyper 2.0 by Hyperice. It's a foam roller. I like it because it actually does vibrate as well. So there's 3 speeds, 1, 2, 3, and you can see it vibrates. So as you're rolling through your tissues, the vibration helps further relax the tissue you're targeting. So rather than just like rolling on it, you're actually getting some vibration. That gives you more feedback to your nervous system. It tells your muscles to kind of relax and not be so tight, not be so restricted of your joints. So when we get these tight areas in our muscles, they kind of contract and hold on to all this tension, which is trigger points, any type of knots you have in your muscles. The vibration combined with the rolling helps relax your nervous system and hence relax the muscles so they're not feeling so much tension. I discovered Hyperice about 7 years ago, and they started with ice compression sleeves, and then this was their first foam roller they came out with. It's a good warm-up tool, so rather than just like statically rolling on the tissues, it helps kind of send some feedback into the nervous system. So it's A, it can be relaxing, but B, it can also kind of prime the muscles to get ready for actions. I really like adding the vibration to my foam roller because it gets deeper into the tissues. This can also be used throughout the day. People think about foam rolling and any type of tissue work as part of their workouts, either before or after, but I like to incorporate this type of stuff in my daily routines. It can be good to do at night before bed. Sometimes some foam rolling helps relax the tissues and tap into your parasympathetic system, which is kind of your sleep state. So if you kind of roll out and work on your mobility at night, sometimes that can help put you in a better sleep state. You want to play with what vibration feels good for you. So 1 sometimes can be a little too bouncy, 2 is a little more consistent, and 3 can be less movement of the rollers. Definitely play with the settings 1, 2, or 3 to see what kind of intensity you like. And that may also change depending on what area of the body you're treating. You'd want to use lower intensity, like a level 1 if you're working up near the neck, maybe in the shoulders, maybe around the rib cage, and then gradually increase to a 2 or 3 as you work more legs, calves, and bigger, bulkier type muscles. I'd recommend this for anyone who's pretty active. I'd recommend this for someone who wants to kind of take their foam rolling to the next level. So rather than laying on a flat device, the vibration you can get from this will help really improve your mobility, help you move better, and kind of get you to that next level.